Hey guys, Striker99 here, and we are back with some more Watch Dogs. Hang on a minute.
Where the hell have you been?
Pawnee.
Oh, my condolences.
I'm going inside Rossi Fremont. I need your help.
You don't pay me enough. I'm not entering that death trap.
You don't have to. I need you behind the scope.
Again? It's more reasonable. Hey, you won't guess where I am.
You're absolutely right.
I'm watering your plant.
Maurice, put him on.
What? What? Who is it?
If you don't talk, you don't leave.
Oh no. Come on, please. I got no name. You don't understand. I'm trapped. I can't stop. I can't stop seeing that little girl. She's looking at me.
Shut up. I said, shut up.
All right, Weepy, back to your corner. Jesus, Pierce, what did you say to him?
You'll meet me there. Rossi Fremont.
Of course. I'll be in place.
Now, as I was saying before Geordie called us, I got a new outfit, which I am absolutely gobsmacked about. It's called the Alone outfit. If you want to know where you can get it, you have to go to Digital Trips there and just play that Alone game. Complete it and you'll get this outfit. It's pretty sick. I've got some new weapons as well. Tommy Gun Gangster, check that out. Pretty sick. Nothing new on that one. Got the Destroyer. If you complete 10 convoy missions, you'll get the Destroyer, which is pretty sick. So yeah. Oh god, it's amazing. Alright, let's start this mission. By any means necessary.
No bedbug this time. I'm going in alone. Seen the layout? I know the room. Iraq's in there somewhere, and it won't take him long to realize I'm coming. He knows what I'm after now. This time I leave with everything.
Alright. So we're going in probably all crazy, aren't we? Probably have to do that anyway. So let's get everything prepared. Let's get that one. Let's lay that out. Yep. Okay. Alright.
Yeah, I see you. Are you gonna tell me why we're fucking with these guys?
Oh,
Do you care?
shit.
Not really.
There's a computer inside that...
It's okay. I really
Got
don't
ya.
care. I was just trying
Got
to
ya.
make some small talk. I got this guy. Knock, knock.
Oh shit.
What the fuck?
Got ya.
Expecting a bunch of twitchy kids with cheap guns. These guys are all military.
Meet the Viceroys. Iraq's got a different approach to controlling the streets.
Well, that's slightly terrifying. Used to they, huh? Damn, they just keep coming. Sure you want to go in there?
I don't want to go in there, but I have no choice.
And that's your problem. You don't realize there's always a better deal out there. You get stuck in these little adventures that never end well for you. Or no, but just
Oh yeah, check out that shot.
stupid piece of...
You missed, Jordy.
Yeah, you got the easy job.
There we go. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Shoot him, Geordie.
Sorry, bad angle.
Come on. There he is. Okay.
Wait for it.
Now we gotta get in here.
Clara, can you get this door open?
We're working on it. T-Bone's got an idea.
Yeah. They're running my encryption on the security doors. It's kind of hard to finagle remotely, but your Wonder Girl here? She just had a damn good idea. If you can cut power to that door, it's gonna default to the base code for about half a second.
And you know the base code.
Yep. I wrote the damn algorithm. Let's give it a whirl.
Okay, so we've got to cause a blackout. There we go.
It's open.
We can take it in person. Be safe, Aiden.
Oh! I got him. Okay, okay, okay. Some of them coming through the elevator. Boom. 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 Easy.
Think you got skills?
Fuck yeah, I got skills. You can't beat my skills. I'm too good for you. Come on. Bring it on. Show me what you got. That's right. That's right, motherfucker. See what's in here. Got some ammo. Yeah. Some good shit right here. Nobody cares. Alright. Oh, there you are. But yeah. These grenades come in use. Got him.
Problem with the world today, no manners, right?
Yeah, well, you got no manners at all. Alright?
This shit gon' hurt.
Shit.
See that? Got him.
Shit, shit, shit. Wait. I saw someone over there.
I got you outnumbered, boy.
It's got a grenade.
Fuck that, I ain't wearing these no more.
Oh, sit the fuck down! Sit the fuck down! Yeah!
I know I just saw him there.
Alright, come on. Yeah. That's right. Got some more grenades too, yeah.
Yo, this shit is fucked. If I was you, I'd be looking for a safer hiding spot.
Yeah. Get out of my face. Shit. Got another one.
No way.
I've got to get up to him. Going around the back. Going around the back. Going around the back. Going around the back. Wait.
He was right there.
Sit the fuck down! Sit the fuck down, you motherfucker! Sit the fuck down! Yeah! Out of my face. Alright. Well,
Gonna get lost in here forever. You ready for that, soldier?
I don't think I have a problem with getting lost. It's a piece of a dump, anyway. Who would want to live in here? Yeah. Hey. Right. Ooh. Thank you very much. We'll take that money. And that electronic parts. There we go.
Watch it, cuz. He was right there.
Got a grenade out. I mean, shotgun. There we go. Easy. How many things do we have to hack? Bloody hell. Right. Give me all that file.
Okay, Clara.
Give me all that data.
Should start receiving everything now.
I see it. It's all coming in. T-Bone's going to start decrypting it as soon as we have it all. That's a pretty big download.
All of this is Iraq's leverage. It's blackmail. He's been collecting this for a long time.
There. That's everything. Hurry back, Aiden. T-Bone's decrypting it now.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way, Clara. Don't worry. I got this shit.
Oh man, look at you.
Iraq.
Crispin? No, wait. Pierce, right? This all you, Pierce?
Yep.
The auction?
Yep.
You the shit raining down on me? Cause I got a lot of shit raining down on me.
Yep. That's all me, nigga.
Stop right there.
That's all me.
I'm not about to let you get away with this. You've been fucking me up, snooping in my shit, right? Interfering with my plans.
It was you. You were the other hacker in the Merlot.
That there's my currency. My masterpiece. And you trying to take that from me.
You took something far more valuable from me.
I took from you. Motherfucker, I don't even know you.
You don't know me either, so why'd you take my niece from me, huh? Answer me. Answer me, you motherfucker.
Oh, so you wanna fuck with my family, huh? Break into my house, try to steal my shit, huh? Do you know who I am? Do you?
Iraq?
A wannabe king in a tiny castle.
Yeah, you're wrong.
And you're Lucky Quinn's lapdog.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Yeah, I see your type of folk, man. Self-righteous motherfuckers. I tried your kind of people off the battlefield. Now, I'll make sure you get back to your family. Maybe one piece at a time, huh? And when I'm done, they're next on my list. What, you got a wife and kids? Brothers and sisters? Yeah, you hurt mine, I hurt yours, bitch.
Look at that view, Jesus.
It ain't nobody gonna come save your punk ass out here either. Your sniper's locked out. And the police won't fuck with me. Hell, I am the police out here. You go down low, man.
So what, they locked Geordie out? Shit.
Kill that motherfucker.
Oh shit. How'd they get there? Shit. Got ya. Got another. I can't see with that. Got him.
Don't bring war to a soldier, boy.
What's that? Never mind.
You think we're friends? What, having a chat?
I'll take every file you have. All of your hard work, gone.
The Merlot's a slick hotel. Bunch of rich white motherfuckers just waiting to pay us. Do you take it from me? Eventually someone's gonna take it from you too. The secrets get passed around. And all sorts of people are going to die for the secrets. That's the curse of power.
Alright, don't have to get all emotional.
This is not us making a deal. You pick the fight, Pierce. Let's play it out.
Oh shit.
Ain't gonna have a body to identify for your funeral.
Can I knock him out? No, I can't! Oh shit. Shit.
I'm gonna end you.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait. There he goes. Wait. Boom. Too easy. You're dead.
Iraq was protecting a tinderbox of blackmail. But he was after something bigger. He wanted the video from the Merlot job. He never did find it. Well, the Viceroys are gonna regroup, and a new leader will step up. And Bedbug? He's got a chance to get out now. I hope he takes that chance.
Alright. Now, let me out. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Alright. we somehow made it out that fast. By any means necessary. Mission complete. Now, what do we do now? Because I have no fucking clue.
You're making a lot of noise, but are you making any progress?
I know what I'm doing. I don't need you on my shoulder.
But I think you do. We've always been stronger as a team. You know that. It's not weakness to admit it. Let's face it. Without me, you wouldn't have the data. And you have it, don't you?
Yeah, all of it. I won, Nikki.
My God, I was right to bring you in. You see? We did it. Now bring it to me. Directly. No one else.
We did it? You mean I did all the work? You sat in your ass, like, taking my sister. For fuck's sake. I've been doing all the work. I've been killing Iraq, getting all the data. You didn't do jack shit, so don't say we did it.
Hi.
God. Damien. Jesus. Okay, I'm just gonna do this, and I will see you guys in the next mission, alright? See you then. This mission is called Someone's Knocking. Alright. Have to enter the bunker. Come on, let's hurry it up. I don't have all day. Come on. Alright, thank you. Alright, come on. T-Bone, Clara, let's do this shit.
Alright, let's do this.
Hey, see this? Nice work.
There's so much, Aiden.
Yeah, we just gotta sift through this stuff and find a name.
Yeah, well, you're in luck. Because this mess has a shitload of names. And every one of them tied to some crooked deal. Dirty cops, the club, greedy moguls, even your stand-up do-gooders.
Iraq was planning to blackmail the whole city.
Well, that's, didn't want that to happen, did we?
Is this off the server?
Oh, hell! Somebody's trying to hack in.
Wait, what?
We'll lose everything. Shut him out. Now!
What do we do?
Follow that signal back. If we can find the source, we can kill his access.
Right.
Hurry.
Okay, I'm gonna hurry this. Okay, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, God.
Oh, come on, man. It's some malware strain.
I'm hurrying. God damn it. I'm hurrying, god damn it.
I don't know
Oh,
who he
shit.
is. I had a guess. That looks like
Stop it.
piece of shit hacker for Hunter. Very good.
I can't block him out.
Bloody hell. How many more do we have to do? Alright, I think we did it. Come on.
There.
Who is that?
Son of a bitch.
Fucking default. What do you think you're doing? Huh? Huh? That's my shit. What do you think you're doing?
Who is it, Clara? He seems to know you.
I don't know.
I'm gonna play.
It wasn't too difficult to find them. Two men. One's a hacker, the other a fixer, as far as I could tell. Never heard of them before.
I can't explain. I wanted to tell you.
Nice work. Names, please.
Are you planning to hurt them?
When has that ever bothered you? I trust the amount is satisfactory.
God damn it, Clara. What'd you do?
Damien Brinks and Aiden Pierce.
Oh, well, for fuck's sake. Why'd you have to do that?
Clara.
Aiden, he's trying to delete our shit. We're gonna have to shut him out fast. Aiden, come on!
Come on, Aiden. Let's do something. T-Bone's doing all the work.
Gird your loins, I'm killing the power!
Aiden.
Who was it? Who ordered it?
If I knew, I'd tell you. I swear I would. I'm so sorry.
Get away from me.
Get away from me, son of a bitch. Why would you fucking do that? Huh?
replace it?
I'm on it. Son of a bitch, come on, man. Come on! Ugh, damn it!
Where are you going?
That smartass just hit us with one hell of a virus. He copied everything we had and wiped it from our systems. He knew exactly how to shut us down. I gotta go reboot the backup tower. Without it, no default. No default, no data.
I'll go.
No. I'll go. I don't mind getting my hands dirty, man. You know what, Aiden? You're gonna have to stall Damien just a little while longer.
I can handle Damien.
I'll call you when I'm done. Good luck, amigo. Rat boy just made it personal.
Oh, yes, he did. That motherfucker. We're gonna take his ass down.
Whatever game he's playing, this default, he's putting Nikki's life at risk. He picked the wrong time to piss me off. Right now, I gotta stall Damien.
Alright, where do we have to go now?
Where are you? 1 minute you call me with promises, then nothing? Not a peep?
This time, we're gonna meet. In person.
How old-fashioned. Do you have something for me?
We'll talk.
Oh, Aiden. In that case, I pick the place.
Okay, fine, you pick the place. Alright guys, I'm just gonna skip to the next mission right now. Alright guys, we are here at the next mission. It is... oh shit. It is called In Plain Sight.
Watch where you're going.
Yep. Okay.
I don't have the data. Damien will know the second he sees me. Maybe I can make that work for me. He told Bloom he'd deliver what we found, including the blackmail Iraq has on them. Yeah, he's painted himself into a corner.
You didn't bring my data, I didn't bring your sister. We're so predictable.
We made a deal with Bloom.
Where did you hear that?
You have a problem, Damien. See, that deal hinges on the hard drive. What are you gonna tell them if I give you nothing?
You're forgetting something. Your sister lives or dies in a phone call.
Then kill her.
You almost had me, Aiden.
You're not thinking it through, Damien. That deal has sealed your fate. If you kill Nikki, you get nothing from me. You think Bloom is gonna give you a pass? They're gonna send fixers to hunt you down. So right now, I'm the one who decides your fate. Get my sister on the phone.
We really are partners, Aiden. Like it or not. We need each other.
Aiden?
You okay? Are you alright?
I'm scared. Please tell me that Jackson is safe.
Yeah, he's okay. Look, Nikki,
I know. Just please don't let them...
You know something, Aiden? I'm tired of you not taking me seriously. Next time I see you, if you don't have my data, she's dead.
Oh shit, why the fuck would you do that? Oh Jesus Christ. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Come on. Let's get the fuck out of here. Come on, come on, come on, go. Go, 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 go.
shit, better not hang around.
Breaking news. Reports are coming in with Aiden Pierce, the vigilante.
Shit. Gotta get the fuck out of here.
In downtown Chicago. Police are asking people to remain calm. Do not approach the suspect. He is considered armed and dangerous.
Okay, where the fuck do we go?
Damn it, Damien's hacking
What do we
his
do?
billboards from somewhere.
Where?
There. WKZ van. Gotta shut it down.
Okay, we gotta do this. Come on.
Has been spotted. Avoid the area if at
unstable. I've been helping people's asses. Get the fuck off the road. Shit. He's getting away.
You're making this too hard, Aiden. Don't force me to show you up.
You got nothing to show me.
Wrong again. You know those
Fuck out of
fancy
control,
tricks you do
bitch.
with CTOS? I've been watching and learning.
Hey, none of that. Come on. Ah, crap. Oh dear.
This is when a deal with the devil gets me.
You got that right, man. Jesus. CTOS scan activate. Ah, crap. I killed someone. Alright, come on. BAM! Sit the fuck down,
Don't let
bitch.
them catch you, my boy. That wouldn't be good for sis now, would it?
Alright, come on. Try. Ah, crap. Crap, I killed another person. Crap. What? Oh god. They're trying to shoot me with the sniper. Shit. Oh. Oh shit.
A patrol SUV's been dispatched after the suspect.
Geronimo. Sit the fuck down. Yeah, now you can't do jack shit. Crap.
Got a patrol SUV in pursuit of the suspect.
Oh dear, he's trying to shoot me.
I'm ordering you to stop.
He's trying to shoot me. God damn it. Stop it. Stop trying to shoot me out of there. Oh my god. Turning left. Turning right. Jesus. Oh shit. I gotta hide somewhere. Out of my way. In my way, civilians. I'm sorry. Oh, we did it. We didn't even have to use blackout. Whoa.
Copy that. A patrol SUV is en route to the suspect.
Just about to exit. Just about to exit the area. And ta-da! Yay! Woo! Oh my god. Yeah! Oh my god. My car though. Jesus. Car got absolutely wrecked. Okay. And that's my XP. I'm filled up on it.
Hey, we're looking good here. I rebooted the backup. I'll get the bunker chugging in no time.
I just talked to Nikki.
Your sister? Is she doing okay? We're gonna get her back.
I think I know how to find her. I heard a PA sound in our call, way in the background. The voice said something, a name or a place. You think you can clean the audio? Try to make out what he's saying?
Yeah, audio wizardry ain't my thing. Send me what you got. I'm sure I can do something.
Okay, I'm heading back to the bunker.
No. We got one more job. You won't believe what I found. Default's Love Shack. Let's take back what he stole from us.
Yes, let's take back that shit. But we'll have to do it in the next episode. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you really enjoyed this series. I'm probably going to play some other games after this series is completed. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.